Alright, so this is going to be a really quick and easy video. Basically, this is the wig. Yeah, you need it to be like matted so you can know that it really works.
You got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery. Love is not a crime, tell the jury. Mine for the fame, for the money, for the jewelry. Every man I watch you how to do it. Bend your back now, settle pan it.
So in this video, we're testing out if the boiling method really works. So you really don't need much. All you need is a pot of water, which I'm bringing to a boil. You need the wig, of course, and then I'm using silicone mix. This is like my favorite one to use, but you can use any type of conditioner. I've seen people use all different kinds. And then I got some big stones. So yeah, keep it right here. We're going to see how we revive this terribly matted wig. Look at this. It's terrible, honey. So you bring the water to a boil, and then you just get your little silicone mix. I don't measure it. I just take a glob like this, drop it in, and take a little bit more. Let me get this off my hand. You can stir it up, but you really don't have to. It's gonna still break down regardless. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a little stir just to fasten the process. Now that it's good and boiling, you just gotta submerge the weave off the heat. Really good when you got a wig that has a strap in it. It makes it so much easier to put it into the actual water. Now submerged all the way into the conditioner. And you can use your little tongs to press every side and make sure it's all up in it. And then you just let it sit. Like, you don't continue to have it on the heat. Make sure that's the most important part. Like, don't keep it on that heat. Just let it sit in that boiling water for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the clock real quick for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Alright, so after that, you just gonna rinse the hair. I always rinse with cool water. Some people rinse with lukewarm. But I was always told to use cool water when you're dealing with conditioner. Rinse it. Make sure you get all that conditioner out. So let me sit with it a little bit. Alright, y'all. So y'all get into how pretty it came out. Yes. Matted wear. Yes, honey. It brought it back. And then once you just gotta let it sit on a towel, I'm gonna probably drip stuff everywhere. Sit on a towel. Look at them curls. Yeah, all back. And this hair is 2 years old, honey. 2 years old. You do not have to throw that hair away. And I've even told people about this, maybe use it on synthetic hair. So yeah, get into these curls. I'm gonna show you how I brush it. As you can see, now everything is brushing straight through. There's no more matted or anything like that. So if you have some old hair, make sure you